Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add marker to your video in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut PC application and I'm going to add marker to this video. If you want to add marker, you can click on the video until the video is active. As you can see by the outline that the video is active. And then you just need to click on this marker icon, this one. Just click on it and then the marker will be added to your video. Like this. And I'm going to add more markers. Like this guys. It will be very useful if you want to cut a part of your video. So you just need to go to the marker like this and then you can cut your video or split your video. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can add marker to our video in CapCut PC application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.